Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sngobhai pi chgathup khubor menta ga janmit shwaban phaj ki khubor ki babnya ngini pechwai ki mat bakong san yakhi ki seng kalyang pursha halor kamat ya umsnam ha Manipur habaro atli ki ying darbar kari ka inline permit kadai ka watlam aryang sirti ong ulampang ga jila Arunachal Pradesh upasang di sona On penlong ke Sarkar Meghalaya ya ka yau thep kamnos Shabari na kabanta ki nos ki bamdan kamdan jam ban shemi kilat ban lekre Shabari Bat Pursha ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association ya ka jingpin trekam ya ka National Education Policy 8000 arpo ka Baladeb Rai Ki khubor ki babnya Baro atli ki yeng darbar jong kari kila sakhi ka jingekhi hakabaki seng kalyang pursha kila yakhi halor kamat ya umsnam ha Manipur haba ka lok sabha kala kendu hne kasngi ki seng kalyang pursha ki bakanthop ya ka Congress DMK TMC bat ki wei kila letur shapdeng jong ka yeng da ka baperta de ki ktien ki bapursha ka sarkar ki dawai ka jingkren na menteri rangba do kari Narendra Modi halor ka tekamat ka yeng darbar Rajya Sabha ru kala sakhi ya kum kani ka jingekhi haba ka yeng kala kendu biang hadien ka jingsange shong darbar hakapor khat ar bajen of haisngi ki seng kalyang persha ki bakanthop ka seng Congress TMC DMK RJD Aam Admi bat ki wei kila perta ya ki kentien halor kamat ha Manipur Ulampang ke yeng darbar Arunachal Pradesh upasang di sona ulaong ba ka inline permit ka don ka jingbha ba ka jingsniu haba kren hadien ka jingle yeshim benta sha ka jingelang ba shisien chisnem jong ka Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 ka ba arpho ha ka sngi pinkut hinin ka sngi ulaong ba ka ILP ba ka bu jing perking ya ka jing baiting ka namar ki nong baiting ka ki arta tien ban ai ban pendan kam ya ka pisa jong ki ha ki jaka babun ki an ki kindon Ulaong ru bahaka jo kapor ka ILP ka long ka atiar ka babha ha ka banya da ya ka long tan rai ba ka jing angnot jang ki nong shong shnong bat ki kol shor jong ki ulaong ba ka de nagani ka daw ba ka ILP ka long kum ka watlam adlyang sisti
When I say ILP is a double-edged sword, it could be because if there's ILP, there's a restrictions in the investments and all. Because see, if I'm an investor, if I want to come to a place, but when there's so many regulations, I might look in for some other places where there are less regulations. And at the same time, but when you talk about protecting the ethnicity, and the indigenous people, again, this ILP also comes into a very good, tool, to protect the local indigenous culture and the people. So it's a double-edged sword. If you want your identity and the culture and it to be restored, then you have to lose something on your, investment front. And if you want the investment, then you have to lose something on your other thing. So it's a double-edged sword. So it's how you take it.
Kajing do nong na kajing ta jang kajing kala ka sun beneng ha kari kala nang kiu man hausnem ar hajar aphuwe kari kala yo mat kajing do nong ka balong kumbasan phau hajar kulotingka na ka daw kajing shakta ha ki babun kilyang ki bayade ba kajing long ka sun beneng Hakashithi ai jubab haging darbar Rajya Sabha Umantri Gatnat Housing and Urban Affairs u Hardip Singh Puri ulapentip bakajing julor baro jong ki yeng kisem ki jing thong jing tep bar ki jaka ba pendan kampat ba nakadaw jong ki jing shlei bar ka jing jor slap kala poi kumba khatsan hajar klor tingka house name ar hajar ka khandai bar kumba ar phuwei hajar klor tingka house name ar hajar ar pho Yaka youth have come nos Shabari laniga overseas nursing job fair on sapinlong da katnat ka kwat ka khia jo ka sarkar jala ka thong jong ni ka yo ai kam ka long ban plelat plelanti ki batre ki kam nos kham tam na ka banta ki nos ki bom dan kam dan jam na po ka jala jongi ban yarap ki ban hikai wat kam na ki lat ai kam ai jam ka prthei badru ban pen paw ya ka sap jong ki ling ba ka ni ka rinsan ka sarkar ka ni trelang bar ki shnat kum ka navis Human Resource Private Limited, ka Nurse H but ka Trained Nurses Association of India, New Delhi, ki ban pani kilat na kabanta ki nong thepkam ban letre Shabari, kom ka re Germany, Japan, United Kingdom, UAE but ki wei. Ya ka orientation program na kabanta ka yo thepkam nos Shabari, labo ban pinlong ha ka South-Odik upnai nailar, ar hajar ar phulai ha State Convention Center.
Employing and engaging our nurses in Japan, United Kingdoms, UAE, Now we are also getting information that there's another firm that wants to come from Singapore. So this is the first thing that we would like to do, because we have noticed and it has come to our attention that large numbers of nurses are without jobs in the state of Meghalaya. So because of this, we have thought that it would be fit for us to engage with the Honorable Labour Minister, Shakliya Wajri, who will be now also spearheading this particular fair with us.
Ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association kala persha ya ka rai jo ka school ba nehu ban pentri kam no ya ka National Education Policy R1000 arpho ka batham mai bat ka balapin kala Upresiden ka Meta I Dr. DRL Nonglait hinin gasngi ilaong bakan omla bandon arbenta ka jing puli undergraduate na ka benta ka jo ka batch kat kum ka jing sngaw ka jong I ka ni ka jing le jo ka school ba kan wanra e ka jing pair hapadeng ki khna puli na markin don kat tu ka ni neki ki ban shim ka jing puli undergraduate ka ba south nem kat kum ka NEP R1000 arpho kat baki weipat kendang yai beteng ya ka jing puli undergraduate ka ba lais nem hakawai pat kalyang I Dr. Nonglait I ong bakan shim kam shim la don ka nu ka rai na kalyang ka Academic Council jong ka nehu banya shakmat hagajing pentre kam ya ka National Education Policy R1000 arpho
kumno ndon artliki kos naka benta ka ju ka batch jong ikna ka wei ka kos ka batmai bat ka wei pat ka kos ka baren ka bamot ba ka bor jing tep ka jing hikai ka jing pulero kan yo per ni sultanat na kamta joki bat ni hiru ni kwa ban sedang no tenai la dan pat ki college ki ba umpat la bat sedang mentagas nem tika university kan thawi ki la kilunti kan kum karukam GT ki subject naman dan kita ki subject ki bangi ong ki multidisciplinary courses tinggi dei dan ai ki option ki ba biang ye ke
kum ka jing khang perda ya ka jing elang bashisin chisnem ka Commonwealth Parliamentary Association India Region Zone 3 ka baar pho lapenlong ya ka cultural evening bala ai kerteng echoes from the hills of Meghalaya ka bala penlong Haraj Bhavan Shillong ya ka ni ka program la yeshim benta da ulat ka jala upagu chohan ki lampang bat ki simbot lampang na baro ki jala ka than chate lam mengi lapen shong kun ya ka ni janmiet de ki program pen inam ya ka jing reus pa ka culture jong ka jala lingba ki jing tem ki jing rai ki jing shat mat ki riam ki betten rai ya ka ni ka program lapen long de katnat arts and culture jong ka sarkar Meghalaya haringkat bat ka Indian Council for Cultural Relation North East Zone
hit saw of fruit plucking and
mentapat ngin pet ya ka jing longjing man ka sin beneng ha shalong ka jing shet ka long arpun reo point khandai degree Celsius ba ka jing kreat ka long khat khandai degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau ka long nru punyo nak shispa man step ban nru pulai nak shispa janmit ka jing hap slap ka long 0.0 millimeter kala bandan ka jing hap slap hagi babon ki jaka shwaban poish ka kut jong ka thup khubor ngine phai byang sai shi ni ki mat ba kongsan yakhi ki seng kalyang persha halor kamat ya umsnam hamanipur habaro artli ki indor bar kari ka inline permit kadai ka watlam arliang sirti ang ulampang ka jala Arunachal Pradesh upasang di sona on penlong ka sarkar Meghalaya ya ka yau thap kam nos shabari na ka benta ki nos ki bom dan kam dan jam dan shemi kilat banik trei shabari bat persha ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association ya ka jing pentrei kam ya ka National Education Policy R1000 arpho ka blade brai ti parlok da kitu ki khubor ngila poi chga bakut jong thup khubor jong imenta ka janmit hadu mangine shambyang bat phila shai kasngi kuble phi baro
स्वच्छ जल और नारी का संघर्ष दोनों का सदियों से संबंध रहा पानी तो पहले भी था कभी कांधों पर कभी कमर पर कभी माथे पर कभी आंखों में आजादी से लेकर